Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Aurelia from Incredibox Sprunki. So first for the top of the head, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big curved line. For the eyes on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a half circle, leaving a small gap, replicating that over on the left. Moving in towards the middle of both eyes now, we're going to replicate that. Now moving down in the center, a small curved line for our mouth. Now let's draw on the hair. So on the left, we're going to curve this line in, out, back down, and across. And then we'll do the same on the right, just ending that at roughly the same height. Coming across for the eyelashes now, we're just going to draw on a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then closing off the bottom of the face, we're just going to draw in a half circle. Closing off the rest of the hair, moving across, leaving an even amount of space, we're just going to replicate that pattern. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now let's move further out. We're going to curve this line out, across, and over. And then starting back on that line, we're going to continue to stretch this in towards the top. Now as we come further across again, let's replicate that, curving this in, out, and then back in. And then in the middle, just drawing in a small curved line. Now for the top of the head, coming across on the right and left-hand side, we're just going to arch this line in. Again, from that point, curving this back in towards the top. Now from here, arching this line further around. On both sides, curving this line through. And now in the middle, we're just going to curve this line out, joining that on both sides. Closing off the top of the head now, we're going to create a nice big arch line. In the center, we're going to draw in an oval. And then on either side of that, we're just going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. Now from here, for the body, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a straight line across. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up and then out. And that is it. That's how you draw Aurelia from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.